This that wheel. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Sneaker Fox Sneaker Watch. It's your boy Sneaker Fox, aka TKO, and you are in the Puma lab for another dope review. I got my little man with me today, my special guest, and we're both gonna be unboxing some new suedes that we got. You ready to do some unboxing, buddy?
Yeah.
Give me 5. Fist bump. Boom. All right. So you want to start off first? What Landon has here, he has the kids Puma and Rugrats collaboration. This is a suede. So you open yours first, buddy. Let's see what you got in there. Whoa, okay. Whoa, those are nice. Get your other one out. Whoa. Show everybody what they look like. Whoa.
My shelf.
These are your these are awesome, dude. I like them, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah, these are Rugrats. So we have this is your suede. Give you guys that 360 look. As you can see, got the Rugrats on the tongue. And then another thing on the tongue on the back, we have Nickelodeon there. And ooh, this is so nice. We got the teal form strip on both sides, black upper, purple laces. This is dope, real dope. Let's see what the other one looks like. Let me see that one. And I like what they have here on the back. And oh, and then the other sneaker, we have the Puma logo. And that's the Puma cat, and it's splattered. If you know about Nickelodeon, you know about Rugrats. And this is like the paint and everything here. And same thing, black upper, purple laces, and the teal form strips. Got the orange sock liner, and really the whole interior of the sneaker is all orange. Same thing, we got the Nickelodeon here on the back. These are actually available now on Puma.com. So if you want to get some for your daughter or your son, he's a toddler, he's 4. I'm sorry, he's 3, not 4. He's 3 years old. And tell them what you do. What do you do?
3.
No, show them what you do.
Bro.
Bro. What you do?
Bro.
Bro. All right, these are your sneakers. So my sneaker that I have is the Suede Cat. And this is a very dope and unique sneaker. I first saw this about 3 years ago on Instagram. Designer for Puma had designed these. And I never saw them again, so I never thought they were going to release. Then my boy Somos was actually at Foot Locker out in DC, and he seen these, posted it in our group chat. Our group chat is, I can't talk today. Our group chat is called Puma Bros on Instagram. Puma Bros. So if you're a Puma head and you want to join, make sure you follow us. Send a DM. If you fit what we're looking for and you actually a Puma head, then we'll definitely go ahead and let you into the group. And what we do is just share and talk about our love for Puma. So shouts out to Somo. And so these are exclusive in Foot Lockers. So you're not gonna find them online. You gotta go in store to get these in Foot Locker. If your store doesn't have them, you want them, I'm in ATL. Let me know, shoot me a message, hit me up on my Instagram at The Real Sneaker Fox. And then, hey, I'll go ahead and help you and hook you up. So let's take a look. Got nice paper. Got the Velcro. We'll get into more detail about that in a little bit. So here's the sneaker right here. We'll look at the first one. It's pretty much the same. So this is my sneaker. You see the big Puma cat right here? So what we have is like yeah, that's cool. That's a cat. Yeah, the Puma cat. So what we have, it's an off-white upper, clean cocaine pure white laces. On the tongue, we have the Puma branding on the tongue. And the biggest thing about this sneaker, well, right here, we have Puma suede in white. So we don't have the branding here in the back because we have this big, huge cat already. So there's no need to do this additional branding on the back. We have the white midsole, white outsole. So now, this strap here is actually Velcro. So it comes in, there's a black Velcro right here. So we have a black Velcro right here. And so we can actually take this off. Here, you want to play with this? And then I'll let Lil Fox play with that Velcro. We have the other Velcro here, which is in lime green. And now, when we open the Velcro, got this lime green Velcro. You want one too? Here, you can have that one. So then have this lime green Velcro, and I can put it right here on the cat. Pretty cool. Okay. And here we go. I really like this green. I'm definitely, what I'm thinking about doing, I'm probably gonna do both. I'm probably gonna, hold on buddy. I'm probably gonna actually do both. Do one black and one green. So let me figure this out here. And there we go. As you can see, green right here. It doesn't go on this shoe. It only goes on this shoe. It doesn't go on this shoe, buddy. It only goes on this shoe. So here, you can play with it and try it out here. So you guys let me know, do you like, hold on, buddy. Do you like the black Velcro cat or do you like the green Velcro cat? So you guys leave a message, let me know what you think. I personally am gonna go ahead and do both. So if you wanna see an outfit with this and how it looks on feet and everything, make sure you follow me on Instagram at The Real Sneaker Fox. Make sure you follow me at The Real Sneaker Fox. And yeah, let me know what you think. So there we go. This is my sneaker. And show everyone your shoes. Wait, show everyone your shoes.
We have this one. A cat.
Yeah.
A cat or a racing.
Yeah.
Dress.
Okay.
Yeah, a racing set.
Okay.
In my cat.
Okay.
ABCs or something. I swear.
No, that's interesting. Okay. So show everybody your sneakers.
Look.
So there you go, guys. Here's our sneakers. What I have here is Puma Suede the cat. And what Lil Fox has is the Puma Rugrats Suede. You can actually follow this little guy here at Lil Sneaker Fox, L-I-L Sneaker Fox. You can follow me at The Real Sneaker Fox. So appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out my video. And we out. Say peace out. Say peace.
Peace.
This that will. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it.